No two galaxies are exactly alike. They come in many different shapes and sizes, constantly evolving. But, despite their dangers, galaxies are amazing places that hold many secrets about the universe. They are well worth studying for anyone interested in astronomy or space science. Because of that, galaxies are one of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring things in the universe, no matter their size. It's not just the flavor that makes strawberry ice cream so special. It's also the memories that come with it. For many people, strawberry ice cream is associated with happy times spent with friends and family. It's a nostalgic treat that brings back warm memories of summers past. Birds are one of the most amazing creatures on Earth. They can fly and soar through the sky, and their songs are beautiful and inspiring. Having a bird as a pet is a great way to experience nature up close, and to enjoy the beauty and inspiration of these amazing animals.